Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Limestone mining company Lidford says it expects to triple its export of the mineral this year. The company says increased frequency of shipments by its partners will also help it meet its 2025 export target. Jamaica is estimated to have about 150 billion tons of limestone deposits, with about 50 billion considered recoverable. Lidford Mining Company has been one of the entities leading the local exploration of opportunities with the mineral, and through its partners, the company has sent one of the largest shipments of limestone to leave local shores to the United States. Director of Finance at Lidford Mining, Jackie Millington, says the company is expecting to triple its exports this year as their partners have more port calls to be made for limestone. The Donald James is the largest bulk cargo vessel to leave Jamaican shores. It carries 55,000 tons of limestone.
This will be a part of a series of visits by this ship, taking away cargo, supplying cargo in what we consider the high quality calcium carbonate market. And this is part of what we do as a mining company to help with the green environment, because this cargo will be used to reduce the emissions from the power plants.
She says this will take the company closer to its goal of 1.5 million tons of limestone exports per year by 2025. Ms. Millington says, however, there is a challenge with space to store the mineral at the pier from which it operates in St. Anne. She says work is to be done to address that. Meanwhile, Mining Minister Audley Shaw says limestone is set to lead the country's bulk exports. He reasons there is immense space for more investments in the area.
Yes, bauxite is going up, but here's an industry that has a growth capacity because God has been good to Jamaica. Yeah. We have a very, very large, extensive reserve.
The minister feels annual limestone exports could reach 4 million tons per year. As at November last year, the export of minerals in the other mining category, in which limestone falls, increased by 71% year over year. To some other news now, we're all talking about artificial intelligence, and International Business Machines Corp. IBM plans to pause hiring as roughly 7,800 jobs could be replaced by artificial intelligence AI in the coming years. The company's CEO says that hiring specifically in back office functions such as human resources will be suspended or slowed. Now, he added that 30% of non-customer facing roles could be replaced by AI and automations in 5 years. His comments come at a time when AI has become a trending topic around the world, especially with the readily accessible ChatGPT, which was launched in November last year. To the foreign currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $154.02. $114.48 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The pound is selling for $192.20, while it's costing an average $171.18 for the euro. The JSE index lost 5,786 points today, while the junior market index fell by 31 points. Among the winners were JMB Group 7.5% preference shares, that's just 7.5% shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica variable preference shares, JMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Siboney Group and QWI Investments. Now the decliners were led by Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Stanley Motor, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, and Jamaican Teas. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.